Have you ever thought about using Starlink, high-speed internet in remote areas, while you are on a cruise? Elon Musk just made a stunning revelation on Twitter, announcing Starlink for boats. Can you believe it? Starlink, the extraordinary satellite internet, is now extending its reach to even the most remote waters, delivering unparalleled connectivity to the high seas. No need to worry about Wi-Fi during your memorable cruise on the stunning Costa Toscana. With Starlink Maritime on board, you can explore breathtaking destinations while staying connected to the world at all times. Enjoy your journey without any Wi-Fi worries. Welcome aboard Costa Toscana, the ultimate luxury cruise that's about to redefine your travel experience. Immerse yourself in world-class amenities, indulge in delectable cuisine, and now, revel in seamless internet connectivity with Starlink's magic. Dear viewers, if you're enjoying this video and want to watch all upcoming informative videos, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Have you ever dreamed of embarking on a luxurious cruise aboard the majestic Costa Toscana, where breathtaking destinations await you at every turn? The allure of the high seas beckons, promising an unforgettable journey filled with wonder and relaxation. But there's one question that lingers in the minds of modern travelers. Can you truly savor the beauty of this oceanic paradise without staying connected to the digital world? In the age of constant connectivity, only to find yourself trapped in the isolation of limited internet access. No instant messages, no real-time updates, and no seamless connection to the outside world. It's a challenge faced by many cruisers, a compromise between wanderlust and the need to stay linked to what matters most. No more Wi-Fi worries as you explore captivating destinations, whether you're sharing unforgettable moments with friends and family or capturing the awe-inspiring beauty around you. Starlink ensures you stay linked to the digital world throughout your voyage. In the past, Costa Toscana, like many other cruise ships and vessels, utilized satellite-based internet systems to provide internet access to its passengers and crew during their voyages at sea. Satellite internet works by transmitting signals to and from satellites orbiting the Earth, which then relay the data to the ground stations, providing internet connectivity to remote locations like cruise ships in the middle of the ocean. However, despite the marvels of satellite technology, Costa Toscana faced certain challenges with its satellite internet setup. One of the main challenges was the limited bandwidth available on the satellite link. Since the internet capacity had to be shared among all the passengers and crew on board, there was a possibility of reduced internet speeds, especially during peak usage times when many people were simultaneously using the internet. This limitation could lead to slow loading times, buffering in videos, and overall unsatisfactory internet experience for the users. Moreover, another issue that arose with satellite internet was latency. Latency refers to the delay in data transmission between the satellite and the ground station and back. Due to the long distance that the signals had to travel to and from the satellite, there was a noticeable delay in real-time activities such as video calls and online gaming. This latency made certain online tasks less than ideal for passengers and crew members who relied on instant and responsive internet connections. However, in Costa Toscana, there was everything. Great people, enjoying luxurious things, but they were facing internet issues. Wi-Fi issues have plagued the largest cruise line in the world. As cruise ships ventured into far-flung destinations, the demand for reliable internet connectivity surged. However, traditional satellite systems struggled to meet the growing expectations of passengers and crew. Witnessing this challenge, Costa Cruises set its sights on an ambitious solution that would revolutionize the seascape. That's why the Costa Toscana announcement to add Starlink Internet to its brand of ships received such positive feedback. Costa Cruises has recently unveiled the future of onboard connectivity, with the successful implementation of SpaceX's Starlink on its flagship vessel, Costa Toscana. Starlink, known for its fast-growing constellation of internet-beaming satellites, aims to broaden its customer base from individual broadband users in rural areas to enterprise customers in the automotive, ships, and airline industries. The U.S. Federal Communications Commission authorization will enable SpaceX to introduce a new class of terminals for its satellite system, meeting the growing demand for connectivity on the move. This move aligns with SpaceX's plans outlined in their request for approval last year, Since 2019, SpaceX has launched approximately 2,700 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit and has amassed hundreds of thousands of subscribers, including those using the $599 self-install terminal kits for broadband internet at $110 a month. Elon Musk envisions Starlink being utilized in various moving vehicles, including ships and large trucks, in addition to commercial airlines. However, he has stated that connecting Tesla cars to Starlink is not a priority, as the current terminal design is not compatible with smaller vehicles. Starlink, renowned for its leadership in low Earth orbit (LEO) satellite technology, is set to revolutionize the Wi-Fi experience for guests exploring the captivating Western Mediterranean on one-week cruises. This next-generation Wi-Fi solution has already been deployed on Costa Toscana, signifying the beginning of an ambitious rollout plan. The success of Starlink on Costa Toscana paves the way for its gradual expansion to other ships in the Costa fleet. Up next to receive this innovative technology is Costa Smeralda, the sister ship of Costa Toscana. And by December 2023, the entire Costa fleet will be equipped with Starlink. This innovative approach ensures global coverage, allowing Costa Cruises passengers to stay connected even in the most remote corners of the world. With seamless connectivity to the internet, Costa Cruises can optimize various aspects of ship operations and real-time data transfer. Guests aboard Costa Toscana, as well as future Costa Cruises passengers, will experience a truly immersive digital journey during their time at sea. They can effortlessly stay connected with their loved ones, share their cruise adventures on social media, and access various online services, whether it's planning their daily excursions, enjoying virtual entertainment, or indulging in enriching activities. The advanced Wi-Fi capabilities of Starlink empower passengers to make the most of every moment on their voyage. With faster internet speeds and reliable connectivity, passengers can enjoy uninterrupted online access throughout their cruise, capturing and sharing the breathtaking beauty of their journey with friends and family around the globe. The future of Starlink at sea looks even more promising. With advancements in technology, we can expect even faster speeds, greater coverage, and more exciting innovations, taking the cruise experience to new heights. If you think Costa Toscana is the first ship to install Starlink, then you are wrong. Royal Caribbean Group became the first cruise liner to adopt SpaceX's Starlink satellite broadband services. The company planned to install Starlink on around 50 ships operated under its Royal Caribbean International, Celebrity Cruises, and Silversea Cruises brands. SpaceX's Starlink satellites are placed in low Earth orbit, which reduces the distance that information must travel, resulting in faster and more reliable internet access compared to other satellite-based internet services used by cruise ships. Starlink's service promises 100 to 350 megabits per second download speed and 20 to 40 megabits per second upload speed, making it suitable for larger cruise ships with thousands of passengers. Almost all major cruise lines and some niche brands have eagerly partnered with Starlink to offer cutting-edge internet services on board their ships. Cruise lines such as American Cruise Lines, American Queen Voyages, Norwegian Cruise Line, and many others already using Starlink's advanced technology. Of course, while the promise of internet connectivity at sea is exciting, it usually comes at a cost, unless it's included in a promotional fare or a cruise line's loyalty club perk. Passengers typically have a choice between basic and premium internet packages. The basic package allows for essential activities like emails and web surfing, while the premium package offers full access to social media, streaming, PAR, and gaming capabilities for specific pricing details. Be sure to check with your cruise line. Staying plugged in during your cruise will become a seamless and immersive reality, whether sharing remarkable moments with loved ones, exploring new destinations virtually, or enjoying onboard entertainment. Passengers can expect unparalleled internet access on their voyages. So, raise a glass to the future of cruising and the transformative power of Starlink's technology. Don't miss the exciting adventures that await as we continue to explore the transformative technologies shaping the future of cruising. Like and subscribe our channel for more remarkable stories of innovation and exploration. Thank you for watching this video.